Hello everyone, welcome everybody to our YouTube channel. On this video, I shall discuss with you some most important general science MCQ question and answer in the part of chemistry in the topic of metal and non-metal. This video will helpful you for all competitive exam as well as in the chapter of metal non-metal question. So in this, before start the video, I will tell you this is the second part or part 2 of this MCQ series. Before that, I already upload a first part of this MCQ series. So if you do not watch this video, please go to the description link or to the channel. First see this part 1, after that see the second part. Okay, so let's start this video. See this is the part 2, the second part. Already 20 questions I will discuss with you in the part 1. So basically in this part we will continue question number 21. Okay, see this for your screen. This is the first question for you. One of the constituent of amalgam is dash. There are 4 options. First is aluminum, second is copper, third is iron, fourth is mercury. So see the screen. Before listen my answer, you first solve this question. After that listen my answer. I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option D, that is mercury. Mercury, which symbol is Hg, is an important constituent of amalgam. Okay, going to next question, that is question number 22. The metal used to build bridges in dash is dash. First option gold, second is silver, third is platinum, fourth is iron. Very easy question. I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option D, that is iron. Iron is a important metal which is used in the construct many materials such as bridges, house, wall, etc. Okay, so the question number 22 answer is option D. Going to next question, that is question number 23. In your screen, see this is the 23. Which of the following is a good conductor of heat and electricity? There are 4 options. First is graphite, second is oxygen, third is chlorine, last is nitrogen. I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option A, that is graphite. Graphite is the right answer because graphite is a sorry graphite is a allotable carbon which is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So the question number 23 answer is A. Going to next question, that is question number 24. Series skin, metals are dash. First option malleable, second option ductile, third option both malleable and ductile, last option may be malleable or ductile. So I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option C, that is both malleable and ductile. You must know that metals are good conductor of heat, electricity, and also malleable, ductile, etc. So these are the physical properties of metal. Question number 24 answer is option C. Going to next question, that is question number 25 in your screen. Which of the following have low melting and boiling point? There are 4 options. First is phosphorus, second is sodium, third is iron, last is phosphorus or sodium both. So our answer is option D, that is phosphorus and sodium both. Because sodium and potassium are the soft metal which have low melting and boiling point, and also phosphorus is a non-metal which have also low melting and boiling point. So our answer is option D, that is 25. Question number 25 answer is D. Going to next question, that is question number 26 in your screen. Which of the following non-metal have shining luster surface? There are four option. First is graphite and phosphorus, second is graphite and iodine, third is iodine and phosphorus, last is phosphorus and chlorine. I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option B, that is graphite and iodine. These are two non-metal having shining luster surface. So question number 26, answer is B. Going to next question, that is question number 27. See the skin. Question number 27. Metal like gold and platinum which do not easily react are called dash. First option active metal, second dull metal, third noble metal, last bright metal. I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option C, that is noble metal. Gold, platinum, silver are called as noble metal because they do not react with any other element or substance. So these are called noble metal. Question number 27, answer is option C. Going to next question, that is question number 28 in your screen. See this. The metalloid include three elements such as first is boron and silicon, second arsenic and antimony, third germanium and tellurium, last option all of the above. So I hope you solve this question. Before listen my answer, you must solve this question first, then listen my answer. So the right answer is option D, that is all of the above, because boron, silicon, arsenic, antimony, germanium, tellurium all are the metalloid. So question number 28, answer is D. Going to next question, that is question number 29 in your screen. Select the property that is associated with non-metal. First is low density, second is low melting point, third is poor conductor of electricity, last is all of the above. I hope you will solve this question. So the right answer is option D, that is all of the above, because all the above three property comes under non-metal. Low density, low melting point, poor conductor of heat and electricity are the property of non-metal. So the right answer is question number 29, answer D. Going to next question, question number 30 in your screen. See this. Which of the following non-metal sublime on heating? There are four options. First is chlorine, second is bromine, third is fluorine, last is iodine. So I hope you solve this question. So the right answer is option D, that is iodine. Iodine is a non-metal and is also called as halogen, which on heating it goes on sublime. So the question number 30, answer is D. Going to next question, that is question number 31 in your screen. Just slightly long lengthy question. Which of the following statement regarding metal is true? First statement, all metals are solid in nature. Second is metals can be used to make handle of cooking of on steel. Third is generally most of the metal have high melting and boiling point. Last is gold is used to generally make electrical wire. So there are four options. Which of the following is a true? So the right answer is option C, that is generally most of the metal have high melting and boiling point, because other three are wrong. See this, gold cannot use in the electric wire, metals cannot use in the handle of non-steel, and all metal node are solid. So the right answer is option C, generally most of the metal have high melting and boiling point. Going to next question, that is question number 22. See the skin. Pure gold is dash. First option 24 carat, second option 22 carat, third option 20 carat, last option 18 carat. So the right answer is option A, that is 24 carat. Pure gold. Carat is the unit of measurement purity of gold. So 24 carat is the most pure form of gold. So right answer is option A. Going to next question, question number 23 in your screen. Just slightly lengthy question. Which of the following statement regarding non-metal is true? First is non-metals are two types, only solid and gases. Second option is non-metal react with oxygen to form basic oxide. Third option, non-metal are non-lustrous with dull appearance except graphite and iodine. Last option, non-metals replace hydrogen from Ac. Very easy question and also understanding question. So right answer is option C, that is non-metals are non-lustrous with dull appearance except graphite and iodine. Because first option, non-metal exist in all states, solid, liquid and gas. So first option is incorrect. Second is non-metal react with oxygen to form basic oxide, not non-metal form acidic oxide. Last is non-metal cannot replace hydrogen from acid. So our answer is option C. Going to next question, question number 34 in your screen. Which the following is not a atomic characteristic of metal? There are four options. First is malleable, second is electropositive nature, third is ductile, last of none of the above. Which the following is a not a atomic characteristic metal? So the right answer is option D, that is none of the above, because malleable, electropositive, ductile are the characteristic of metal. So right answer is option D, that is none of the above. Going to next question, question number 35 in your screen. See this. Which of the following statement is false? First is metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Second is gold, silver and zinc are most malleable metal. Third is mercury is only liquid metal. Last is bromine is only liquid non-metal. Okay. So the right answer is option B, that is gold, silver and zinc are the most malleable metal. Remember this, this is a false, because only gold can be most malleable metal. These three cannot be most malleable metal. So our answer is option B, that is gold, silver and zinc are most malleable metal. Going to next question, question number 36. The best malleable metal is dash. See this question already told you in previous question. So the best malleable metal is gold. Option C, that is gold. Gold is the best malleable and ductile metal. Going to next question, question number 37. Graphite is an dash, an alloy, an metal, a metalloid, a non-metal. So the right answer is graphite is a non-metal, because it is a alloy of carbon. Carbon is a non-metal, so graphite is a non-metal. Remember this, graphite is a non-metal, not alloy, not metal, not metalloid. Okay. Going to next question, question number 38. Silicon is used in dash. First is solar energy device, second is semiconductor, third is transistor, last is all of the above. I hope you solve all the question first, then listen my answer. So the right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Silicon is used in the all of the above. Solar energy device, semiconductor and also transistor. So the right answer is all of the above. Going to next question, question number 39, also slightly lengthy question. Which of the following statement regarding non-metal is false? First is 11 non-metal in gaseous state. Second option is gas carbon is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Third is the black material inside the pencil is lead metal. Last is all non-metal are non-sonorous nature. So the right answer is option C, that is the black material inside the pencil is a lead metal. It is not a lead metal, it is a graphite. So our answer is option C, that is the black material inside a pencil is lead metal. This is our answer, option C our answer. Regarding on other option, there are 11 non-metal gases, ekdam right. Gas carbon used on the good conductor, ekdam right. All non-metal non-sonorous nature, ekdam right. So question option C the wrong statement. So our answer is C. Going to next question, that is the last question for you in your screen. See this. What is anode mode? First option is fan of anode. Second option is metal of anode. Third option is impurities collected at anode in the electrolysis during purification of metal. Last option is all of the above. So I hope you solve this question first. So the right answer is option C, that is impurities collected at anode in electrolysis during purification of metal. So question number 40, answer is C. So these are the most important 50 MCQ on metal and metal you like this if you like this part, or if you want to I continue this type of MCQ series, you must like this video and subscribe this channel and share this channel. Okay, must subscribe. Okay, you must subscribe channel and you must share your friends. So friend, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye, thank you.